Arckit here, back with another Arckit video. Today we'll be taking a look again at the Arckit Cityscape, building another sample tutorial model number 5. So get ready, this is going to be a pretty awesome one. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave it in the comments section below, or feel free to email me. My information will be in the description below. So, now that the formalities are out of the way, let's get started. In front of me, I have the contents of the kit laid out. I have our standard 4x4 floor plates right here. So this is going to be the base of our city. We have our roof toppers here. We have our standard floor plates and tiles. We have our new clear floor plates, and we have our tiles right here representing our roads, landscapes, and other rooftop features. All right. So this will be an intermediate build, so we'll use all 4 of our big floor plates right here, and we'll arrange it in a square. To begin, I'm thinking we'll have a center building with a pretty with a courtyard in the center. So this whole city plan will be kind of based off of that. So let's get some of the roads down first. So what I'm thinking is that we'll have a road right here and right here. So let's go ahead and use the purple tiles and place it like so. I'll go ahead and zoom in so you guys have a better view of the building area. All right, so we have a road, 1 over from my right side. And let's go ahead and 2 down, let's place another road, creating an intersection right there. So we'll go all the way across. Looking good so far. All right, let's go ahead and arrange our building right here. So I'm thinking we'll have 4 L-shaped bases that will come together near the top. So let's go ahead and use a 2-piece solid, and we'll lay it down in such a way so that these 2 plates are connected. And let's do the same for the other side right here. So this will be 1 from the end, and we'll lay it down so these 2 plates are connected. So let's go ahead and place a 1-piece right next to that, and a 1-piece right next to that also. So now coming down along this edge, let's go and place another 2-piece solid and another 2-piece solid over here. So we have 2 pieces that look like this. All right. So let's go ahead and take a 1-piece solid, place it right here, and another 1-piece solid, and place it right here. So we have 4 pieces facing this inner courtyard right here. So what I'm thinking is that we'll have this section probably bisected with or intersected with another intersection. So it'll go through this complex. So let's get a street going all the way across. So that looks pretty awesome. And maybe let's get a street coming along this edge right here. So we'll use up the rest of our purple tiles to create that. All right. If I'm moving too fast, feel free to pause the video to catch up. I'll always be here. No worries about that. All right, so what we have is we have this so far right here. All right, that looks pretty nice so far. I'm excited. So let's try to connect these 2 plates together. So we'll go ahead and place a 4-piece solid right here, and we'll stagger that with another 4-piece like that. So we get 2 pieces right here still left open. All right. So let's go ahead and put a green courtyard there and a green courtyard there. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see better. Let me move this back. Alright. For this courtyard right here, I'm thinking, wow, we have just the exact amount. Alright, so let's go and place one courtyard piece there, one courtyard piece here. Let's place one piece here and one piece there. So we'll stagger it a little bit to get this. Alright. So let's go ahead and make both of these an L. So we'll arrive at this right here. Pretty awesome. Alright. Let's go ahead and fill the last two holes with our blue pieces. These could be water features. So I'm thinking it'd be like a water fountain or some sort of, maybe a swimming pool actually. Huh. Alright, so what we have so far is, it's getting pretty hard to lift up this model. Alright, what we have so far is this. Pretty awesome. Okay, so for these last sections here, let's go ahead and fill each one of them with two-piece solid. So we get a building on each. Alright, let's work on this center courtyard structures, this little community right here that we're building. And let's get a two-piece clear, another two-piece clear, one piece clear, and another one piece clear. And we'll do that for both sides. So in the end, we get this right here. So everything will be raised up by one floor to get that. Pretty simple. Alright, so let's go ahead and polish it off again with our two-piece solid, two-piece solid, one-piece solid, one-piece solid. And then on the other side, two-piece solid, two-piece solid, and then one-piece solid, one-piece solid. So we've created a complex where all four of these buildings, or these four sections of the buildings, are the same height. Alright. Let's go ahead and raise it up one more floor. So we'll have two-piece clear, two-piece clear, and then on this side we'll have two-piece clear and two-piece clear. So we have this section which I haven't placed a clear piece yet. And that was intentional. Alright. Actually, let's go ahead and fill it anyways. Forget that. So we're going to take our one piece clear, one piece clear, one piece clear, and one piece clear. Place that. So all of these buildings are again the same height. Let's go ahead and connect them. So we have four three-piece solids. So let's go ahead and create four bridges across. Pretty awesome. And we'll fill up these corners with one-piece solids to get this. Sick. That's really cool. Alright. Now let's see. Let's work on this building right here. So we'll go ahead and make this building one story. So let's go and make it alternate like this. So three-piece clear and then three-piece clear on the side, leaving two areas in which we'll fill up with our blue tiles like so. So we have that right there. Pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and top that. Again, instead let's use a two-piece solid down the middle, a two-piece solid on the left, and on the right. So create an L-shaped building right there. For these buildings, let's go ahead and we have just enough pieces. So let's go ahead and place a 2-piece clear there, 2-piece clear there, and we'll use our two ones left and place them together to do that. And we'll take 3 2-piece solids and we'll line them up all together like so. Alright, let's go ahead on either side where these bridges are. Let's go ahead and place a 3-piece clear, and on the other side place a 3-piece clear, and then we'll place a 3-piece solid on top of that and a 3-piece solid on top of that to get this. So we've created a really big structural community right here. I'm liking this so far. Alright, so we have no more clear pieces left, so let's go ahead and start roofing this. So what I'm thinking is, let's go ahead and make this where we have the green rounded end piece, another green rounded end piece here, and then in the center we'll have our green crisscross piece, and then on either end we'll have our intermediate pieces to create that right there. So that looks pretty awesome. Alright, and then for these buildings right here, let's go ahead and think about, I think one of them could do really well where it's a pointed end and then a blue tile right next to that, and then on the other side of it we'll have it where it's these end pieces right here to create that on either side. So we're pretending that this is cut off and this building is extended even further, and we'll do that for the other side too. So the model is cut here and extended even further. Alright, so now we have to think about what to do for this center structure. So what I'm thinking is that we'll have these placed on either end like this, and we'll go ahead and take each one of these 4-piece or pink shallowed angle pieces and place them all facing inward like this to create a little almost castle-like enclosure. Alright, and we have a couple more, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what we can do is, let's go ahead and tile the rest of the empty space. So we have a couple purples left, and then for our last one we'll place a blue piece. Alright, so we get this in the end. Pretty awesome. Alright, I hope you guys had fun watching or even following along. I know I did. This was a really fun project to build. Hope you learned a few things, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.